How to connect Google Calendar to Zoom. So first go to your Google Chrome, and then just click on the three dots here, and then just hover your mouse over extensions, and then just click on visit Chrome Web Store. Next, what will happen here is just we'll need to search for Zoom Chrome extension. So just click on this one. Next is you just need to click on add to Chrome, and then just click on add extension. Now after that, close this, and then just click on the multiple dots here. Then of course we just need to go to our calendar, so click on calendar. So after that, you're here. So in order to connect Zoom, just create an event or task or an appointment schedule, whatever you want. So for this example, I'll just create an event, and I'll just type in the name as a sample event, and then just click on make it a Zoom meeting here. Since we've added this extension, this option here will appear here. So just click on make it a Zoom meeting, then just click on sign into Zoom. Here we can connect Zoom here, so just click on it. What will happen here is just sign into your Zoom account, or you can just choose any of the options here to log in. So I'll just use my Google account. Then just click on your account, and then after that, you've basically added Zoom. So just to check, just click on make it a Zoom meeting again, and then let's click on the event we just created. And as you can see, now you can see that you've just connected Zoom to your Google Calendar. Now you can just click on the join Zoom meeting or share the invite via link. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.